Hello YouTube vintage stereo and radio collectors. Here's the Deforest-Kelly Crosley that I've been working on. I haven't had a lot of time to work on this one. I had so many other things going on. You can see where the orange chips are that I've replaced some of these old crusty caps, like this 8 microfarad here. There's actually two 16 microfarad 450 volts on the terminal strip now. And so in the spot where that one cap was, I now have an octal socket, and on the actual speaker, an octal plug on with some new cloth wiring. And the speaker, I hope it works. All the humbucking coil, the voice coil, and the electromagnet coil tests okay, despite an X being magic marked on the back of the speaker. Over here are the 6 tubes, a 35A, a 24A, a 35A, a 24A, a 47, and an 80 rectifier. And they cleaned up, and they all taste, oh my gosh, I'm thinking about lunch. They all test really good into the 80% range on my ICO 625 tester. Put a new cloth cord on it, which is kind of cool, retro looking. Did a little bit of cleanup on it. So I'm going to finish these two tin boxes are actually caps. That's a 0.8 microfarad and that's a 1.0. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use two of these 1 microfarads here, 600 volts in their place. This one here is testing an open, and this one here actually still tests good. Let's just replace them. Those polyesters should last a long time. And then what we'll do is at some point put the tubes in, hook up the speaker, and see if we get some sound. Thanks for watching and listening.